In this video, we are going to talk about my top 5 VS Code shortcuts that I use on a daily basis. So let's get into it. First one is Alt plus arrow key. So what it does is it just moves the line, that particular line where the cursor is, and it moves to the direction of where you want it. So if you press up, it will go up, and if you press it down. Second is converting any code into a command block. For example, if you have this one line, we can just press Control and /. So that will convert it into a command. And for Mac, it would be command plus /. So for instance, if you select all these lines and just press command and /, it will convert it to a command block. Third one is Alt plus click. So let's say we want to add something on this line, and the same thing we want to add into this line. So we just hold Alt and press the mouse click, and here we go. And now just type anything you want, and now on all 4 lines we are having the same text that we want to print. It usually helps when you are dealing with CSS or HTML file. Number 4. Now if you want to change particular keyword in different places, for example here, if I want to change category in different places, I just use Ctrl plus D or Command plus D if you're using Mac. Now just hit Ctrl and press D, it will select that one. Now again press D while holding Ctrl. Now you are just skipping, and not skipping, but selecting the different keywords that are present in the file. Now once that is done, just replace it with your desired text, for example keyword. So now whatever was selected, it will be changed to keyword. Number 5. Now whenever we want to copy paste the same line over and over again, this will help. So we will use Shift plus Alt plus arrow keys. So for instance, I am on 23rd line, and now just press and hold Shift, Alt, and up and down. So it will just paste the same line in up direction or a down direction. So this will help mostly when you are using or having so many codes that are redundant. Thanks for sticking by till here. Now for bonus tip, if you are dealing with so many functions, and you want to edit some function, you just need to hold Control and hit the function. It will jump to its code. So it doesn't matter if the function is in the file. If you hit the request, for example, it's not here, but it will just go into their parent folder and where you can edit your stuff. Thanks for watching. If you found value from this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.